Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, June 13th. Today I'm going to read an essay from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening, and then we do a short meditative reflection around it as always. The essay today is titled To Rest Like a Tree, and Mark Nepo prefaces it with a short poem from Buddha's Little Instruction Book. Praise and blame, gain and loss, pleasure and sorrow, come and go like the wind. To be happy, rest like a great tree in the midst of them all. Praise and blame, gain and loss, pleasure and sorrow, come and go like the wind. To be happy, rest like a great tree in the midst of them all. It helps to remember this. And of course, it's hard to remember this when feeling blame, loss, or sorrow. But that's when we need this wisdom the most. Like everyone, I'd rather not experience the undercurrents of life. But the challenge is not to shun them, but to accept that over a lifetime, we will have our share of them all. Avoiding the difficult aspects of living only stunts our fullness. When we do this, we are like a tree that never fully opens to the sky, and dwelling on our difficulties only prevents them from going on their way. When we do this, we are like a great tree that nets the storm in its leaves. The storm by its nature wants to move on, and the tree's grace is that it has no hands. And our blessing and curse is to learn and relearn when to reach and hold, and when to put our hands in our pockets. I love this. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keep your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remember, there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing. Just like there is nothing you need to fix about you. This moment is enough. Your breath is enough. You are enough. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness and freedom in your whole being, allowing all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, to flow through you as energy, without struggle. Now take a moment to imagine a fully grown tree and really feel its presence, maybe even smell its presence, and feel yourself standing next to this beautiful, fully grown tree. A tree that can withstand any storms of life. Praise and blame, gain and loss, pleasure and sorrow. As you watch the tree stay open to the wind, feel praise and blame rush through you. But try to stand like the tree. Breathe slowly, deliberately, and feel gain and loss circle you. As you do this, try to open your heart like a branch. Steadily breathe in and out, feeling pleasure and sorrow rustle your leaves. Try to stand still, holding on to none of it. How does that feel? Simply allowing everything to pass through you without struggle. Standing like a tree. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for being here, for your dedication to your practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know that I am enough. May I learn to stand like a tree. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to practice. What does it mean to stand like a tree? To let all the storms of life pass through you. Remember, the tree's blessing is that it has no hands, so it cannot hold on to anything. It just has to let whatever passes to go through. Our blessing and curse is to learn and relearn when to reach and hold, and when to put our hands in our pockets. So keep learning and enjoy your discoveries in the process. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.